यस, आपको भी। यस
मोहतरम स्पीकर साहब, मैं यहां पर आज आपके सामने खड़ा हूं तो सिर्फ जो मेरी पार्टी के ऊपर जो इल्जामात लगाए गए हैं ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन की जानिब से, उसको क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए खड़ा हूं। मैं कोई जवाबी इल्जाम लगाने के लिए नहीं ठहरा हूं। ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब ने पहली अपनी तकरीर में कहा कि मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन उस कांग्रेस की सपोर्ट कर रही है जो बाबरी मस्जिद की शहादत के जिम्मेदार है। हां, बाबरी मस्जिद के शहादत के जिम्मेदार वो मरदूद पीवी नरसिम्हा राव साबिक वजीर आजम था, लेकिन पीवी नरसिम्हा राव के बाद सीताराम केसरी ने जब कांग्रेस की क़यादत अपने हाथ में ली और सोनिया गांधी ने जब अपनी क़यादत अपने हाथ में ली तो उन्होंने मुसलमानान हिंद से मौजरत ख्वाही की और अफसोस का इजहार किया बाबरी मस्जिद के शहादत पर और उनके वजीर आजम की नाअहली पर। उसके बाद ही मुसलमानों ने अपने एतमाद का इजहार किया कांग्रेस के साथ। और आज अगर आज हम यहां पर बैठे हैं तो हम जो हुकूमत सही काम करेगी उसकी तारीफ करेंगे और जो काम गलत करेगी उसकी बराबर मजम्मत करेगी। हम उस बात को कभी नहीं फरामोश कर सकते कि बाबरी मस्जिद की शहादत नरसिम्हा राव के ज़ेर क़यादत में हुई, लेकिन मौजरत खाई हुई। आज मैं चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब से पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या वो लोग जो बाबरी मस्जिद को शहीद करे थे, क्या आप उनको दहशतगर्द मानते हैं या नहीं? अगर आप मानते हैं तो फिर उन दहशतगर्दों की तायद क्यों की?
जी, अब छोड़ दीजिए। अब आप लास्ट टाइम also आप बताए, अब छोड़ दीजिए। राइट, नाउ यू हैव क्लैरिफाइड योर पार्टीज व्यू।
मुझे बोलने दीजिए सर।
आप आपका पार्टी का राय बता दिए, योर स्टैंड यू हैव एक्सप्लेन। Now we will leave it here. Yes. Now we will. आप बैठिए, आप निर्वोचन। Yes. Now you have made your point very clear. जी। जी, आप when you are answering a question, OIC साहब, when you are answering a question, don't put questions. Just make your party stand clear and leave it there. Yes.
सर, मेरा सवाल ये है कि सीताराम केसरी ने उस वक्त मौजरत खाई की, सोनिया गांधी ने मौजरत खाई की बाबरी मस्जिद की शहादत पर। मोदी की सरकार की तायीद करने पर चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब ने कहा कि उनकी पहली पार्टी थी। मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं सुनिए कि चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब ने कहा कि उन्होंने सबसे पहले कहा, लेटर दिया। सवाल यह है कि आपने तायीद से दस्तबरदारी अख्तियार क्यों नहीं की? Why didn't you withdraw the support to that government which was killing innocent people? वो क्यों नहीं करे आप? And thirdly, sir, about third thing about the work properties. And when the leader of opposition says that MIM is supporting the Congress government, yes, sir, I would like to remind to this house and bring to this notice, when he left the power and the Congress came into power in the year 2004, what was the total allocation for minority welfare department? 36 crores rupees. And what is the minority welfare allocation now? More than 200 crores. How many Muslims were getting a pension, sir, widow pensions? It was MIM who fought here and the government listened to us. Out of all the pensions to the widows and old age, in that 12% pensions have been given to Muslim minorities.
Yes.
Sir, in 22 courses, whether it is MBBS, engineering, MCA, MBA, nursing, physiotherapy, pharmacy, all the courses, any student gets an admission by the competent authority, the entire fees is reimbursed by the government. Did you do that? Sir, a Muslim student used to... No, sir, I just want to clarify. A Muslim student used to get 200 rupees for a whole of the year. Now that same student who used to get 200 rupees in the whole of the year is getting 2,000 rupees a month.
Yes.
This is not given by the government. When we come about work properties, this house is witnessed, sir. This house is witnessed. Who raised the issue of work properties? Did you? Did your party? Who raised it, sir? Ask your heart and conscience and tell me. Let us take out the record, sir. It was me. The press gallery used to call me a mad. Whenever Akbar rises, he talks only about work. Did you know that? they talk about work property, sir. I would like to ask and remind the leader of opposition,
Yes.
who allotted the work land to Microsoft? PDP government. ISB.
Now,
work
Mr.
land,
Owaisi,
who?
we will leave it
PDP.
here now. Yes.
Wipro,
You have expressed
PDP,
yourself. Now let's leave it
Patni
here.
Dargah, PDP. Sir, fine, sir. They
You
allotted,
kabhi-
they never knew.
Some
Now,
other
Mr.
occasion you
Owaisi,
take
sir,
it up now, not now.
Your Politburo member is illegally occupied on the Waqf land, for which your new friends, Mr. Ghaffur
Yes.
Saab was there in the committee. House committee has given a recommendation saying that Viceroy Hotel is on Waqf. Please tell your Politburo member to give back that Waqf land. He's your member. He's your party member. He's your party member. Sir, they are party
Yes.
members. And again, sir, at Maheshwaram.
Now we will leave it here, yes. अब आप, yeah, we will leave
मुझे
it here
बोलने
now.
दीजिए, साहब मैं बोलेगा
And if for some other time now, we will get on to the main issue now.
Sir, about
Yes.
Maheshwaram, sir, there is one more land where Telugu Desam Party's member of parliament has taken a land on lease. 20 acres
Yes,
of
now-
land is
now-
there.
now-
Did not they get it released?
Yes, now we will leave it here now.
For the land, sir.
Now we will leave it here now. एक मिनट सुनिए आप एक मिनट आप एक मिनट सुनिए. You know, whatever you wanted to express, Mr. Owaisi, आप बता दिया. Now we'll leave it here. We'll get on to the main subject. जी, नहीं, this is not the occasion. This is not the time. Yeah, this is not the time. This is not the time for getting to. Yes, on the issue and whatever you want to clarify, in a minute you please close it.
मंजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन किसी की तायद नहीं करती, किसी की चुप की मुखालिफत नहीं करती. अगर हम किसी की तायद कर रहे हैं तो मसाइल के बुनियाद पे तायद कर रहे हैं. मसाइल के बुनियाद पर. I want to come on this record and say that 40 years old issue of ex-servicemen. For 10 years we went and pleaded. Sir, do it, sir, do it, sir, do it. Ex-servicemen got us, sir. Property worth 200 crore was given back to the ex-servicemen. That quarters which were built by the money of ex-servicemen was given by this government. So we should not appreciate it. Watoli incident had happened, sir. Who did that Watoli incident? Hindu Wahini did it. Vishnu Parishad did it. We approached the government and asked and requested. We agitated and demanded that this should be handed over to CBI. The government reacted upon it, handed over the case to CBI. Now they say that we are acting upon the
Yes.
Congress. No, we do not act upon anybody, sir. हमारा यही है कि हम उसी को अपना दोस्त बोलेंगे जो हमारे मसाइल को हल करेगा, और जो हमारे मसाइल को हल नहीं करेगा हम नहीं करेंगे. He never told me about the Azam and Aziz encounter. Who did the Azam and Aziz encounter? Innocent man. Sir, I went to his office. My brother went to his office. Please don't encounter them. Tell the police not to encounter them. They are innocent. But we left the place in 1 hour. They were encountered. Where? Nalgonda, Karimnagar. The blood was
Yes.
flowing. Sir, I would say तेलुगु देशम के ऊपर गुजरात में मासूम मुसलमानों के जले हुए खून और लाशों के धब्बे हैं. उस धब्बे को नहीं निकाल सकते. ये लोगों ने मुसलमानों के साथ नहीं शादी की और हर साल बाबरी मस्जिद का
Now we will leave it here. That's enough now. Mr. Owaisi, now we will leave it here now. Fine. Yes, you made it clear now. Please sit down. Yes, आप बैठ जाइए now. Now we'll get the reply from the government. नहीं अब बस से अब नहीं we will leave it. नहीं बस से अब नहीं enough is enough now. नहीं अब बस से अब नहीं please, that's enough. That's enough now. No, please sit down. Okay, now you want to speak, then okay, you conclude and then you speak. Okay, fine. Yes, you only. You please sit down now.
मुसलमानों का सर.
Now I'll come back to you in Japan. Please sit down now. After him, I'll come back to you.
Lastly, I am using this platform to give a very clear message to the nation, is that Muslims are not terrorists. Islam is not a religion of terrorism. Islam says finish terrorism. Muslim says that there is no place in terrorism, but this is a fact and a true fact which cannot be denied. The Indian terrorism started only after the demolition of Babri Masjid structure. Nobody can deny this.
Yes.
And now it is the time for all of us to come together. Not only come together, but also get all those youngsters and youth who have lost the hope in the system. We believe in the fight democratically. Let us all come together, bring them in the mainstream, say that because we cannot run a country, we cannot run a state with neglecting the largest minority of this country and state. So let us bring everybody into confidence. Let us all come together and fight this terrorism. Terrorism do not have religion. We are against terrorism, and we stand by with all of us. This nation should not take me wrong, stating that I am justifying the terrorist act. No, we will never justify. We love this country. This is our country. We have lived here and will die here. We have lived for 1,000 years. We have given this country a beauty of Taj. We have given this country the Charminar. We have given this country the Qutub Minar. This is our country. We will live here, and we all will fight and finish
Yes.
this menace of terrorism coming together. And I say that, and I hope that the Congress government has come up with all initiatives to bring back the confidence among the Muslim youth. That is why we really support them. And I would thank the Chief Minister Rajshekar Reddy for all his support been given to us. And I hope that cases would be booked against those who tried to give a twist of communalism to the yesterday's incident. Those who have burned the flags will also be brought under the law, and the cases
Yes.
will be booked against them, sir. I thank you very much for giving the opportunity.